Phenomena that science still can't explain. Yawning, a contagious mystery. Yawning is something we do every day, but scientists still aren't sure why. Some think it cools the brain, but we're not sure. Also, we don't know why yawns spread when we see others yawn. It's like a brain connection. Even chimps do it. When we copy how someone's face looks, it helps us understand them. Interestingly, some people, like psychopaths, don't catch yawns easily. As we wrap up our exploration of the yawning enigma, there's much we don't understand. Stay curious and see you next time.